This is Tijuana, the real estate apostle, living my best life coach, and today is September 29th, 2020. If this is your first time at my channel, thank you for stopping by, clicking on me. And my channel is dedicated to mindset and helping millions of people to get financially free and be able to quit your job and live your best life today. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you some clips of my day, and then I'm going to give you some wisdom at the end of the show. So stay tuned for the wisdom. Okay, so if this is your first time at my channel, let me catch you up. All right, so this is day 61 of what I had kind of started off this 90-day millionaire boot camp, where 61 days ago I quit my job as a registered nurse. It was a very comfortable job. It was very dependable, you know, it was always there. And I did the same treadmill existence where I went to work to earn money, to pay the mortgage, to go back to work, to be able to earn money, to pay the mortgage, to be able to take a vacation maybe once a year. You know, just that whole little treadmill existence. So I quit that to be an entrepreneur because I understood that I am a multi-millionaire, and that if I continued to work and punch a clock, that I would never be able to access all of my millions. I wouldn't be able to get it. Can't get it if you're working for somebody. You can't. Multi-millionaires don't work for people. Yeah, there's just not how it goes. So quitting your job is pretty important. It's about freedom, and so it's a whole mindset that goes behind that. And so that's why I've been documenting what I've been doing for the last 90 days, showing you the ups and downs, because you know, it's not easy. It gets easier once you start to change your mindset. The mindset. The thing is, most of us are, you know, we're all programmed, and we've been brainwashed to believe that, you know, we've got limitations and all these things. So the difficult thing is to take control of your mind so you could stop yourself from sabotaging yourself. Like, most of us were standing in our own way. Like, if we could just believe and have faith in ourselves, that we are, you know, wonderful people, and that we deserve to have riches and, you know, all the good life and all that stuff, and go walk in that, yeah, we can really go a long way. Good morning. It is September the 29th, 2020, and this here is Tijuana, the real estate apostle, living my best life coach. And I'm just so excited because I'm back, baby. And I'm on task to be at the gym by 6:30. I've already been, it's only 6 o'clock in the morning now. And I've already been up. I've done my morning meditation and visualization. And look what came in the mail yesterday. This here's my camera and my microphone. Unfortunately, there's, you know, some pieces and all that stuff involved. So some, you know, I've got some homework to do here, but I'm getting ready to head to the gym, and I got a brilliant day set up for me today. Showing houses in Selma, and I'm under contract. So I'm doing it. All right, so I'll post y'all. I just wanted to come back and say, you know, because I haven't been doing any clips for a while because I was out of my juice, and I was just running, and I had broke my routine up. So I just wanted to let y'all know I'm back, baby. Alrighty, this is coming in the mail today. This looks like, I believe, my new video camera. I'm about to be a YouTube influencer. Okay, so I did an hour and 45 minutes at the gym. I did like 35 minutes of cardio. I like sweat real good. I love sweating. And then I did arms. I did abs and waist. I mean, I did things that, you know, normally kind of pushed to the side or whatever. But I was a hog today in the gym. I was a hog, and I'm just so excited because it's not even 8:30, and I am, I already did all of the things that I need to do for me out of the way. And I'm gonna spend my day planning. Like I said, I've got some showings to do later this evening. I still got some schedules for some showings to put together. I'm just excited because I feel like I'm developing my day in the life of a realtor type of a situation. Every day I'm learning, and I'm just excited because it's here, it's coming. So this is day 61, and I have like less than 30 days to keep making as big a splash as I can. And I'm just so excited because every day is like the pieces of the puzzle is just getting more and more filled in to where I can see the life that I've imagined, and the pieces is coming together. So my puzzle it's getting there. So stay tuned, and I'm just stay tuned. Like and subscribe too. Yeah, do that. Okay, so my top 3 tips for how to use medication. Yeah, get you some medication. How to use meditation to overcome doubts, because in your journey, when you quit your job, the whole part of developing your mindset means that you have to go through some stuff. So there's going to be lots and lots and lots of doubts that's going to come up there because you've been conditioned to receive a paycheck, like, you know what I mean? So as an entrepreneur, you've got to, especially ones of us that do sales, like you gotta close, oh, sorry, all this noise, close deals and stuff. Like, if you don't go out there and convert, like, you gonna be hungry. So, you want to make sure that you are, doing something to combat the doubt and be able to keep yourself up. Otherwise, you can get like depressed when you start like no money been those automatic deposits that you get twice a month, or maybe 4 times if you get paid weekly. Yeah, when those stop coming in, you get a little bit, it's gonna happen. Even if you prepared and stuff, I had savings. Some stocks I had to, and I was going through all of it. But in my mind, I know that my millions are out there. So why should I be afraid of losing, not losing, but of using, spending this stuff? I can't be hoarding. You gotta make it rain on society. Okay. And number 3 is exercise. This morning, my day was so wonderful because I got up, I meditated. I was at the gym at 6:30. Actually, it was 6:24, and I had a great day because I had a great workout, and I did all that stuff before 9 o'clock, and then I had an opportunity to, like I said, I've got I'm under contract, so I had to make schedules. I'm being a realtor, and I'm actually enjoying the work flow, how it goes. I'm understanding it more, so I'm just excited that I love real estate. So I'm excited that that's my career. So number 3 is exercise, and number 2 is eating right. And again, today, after I re-upped on my vegetables and fruit for my juice, when I was at the gym at 6, I was a beast. I was tearing it up. I really put a lot off into it. I was getting down. I was getting down. And the number 1 is, if y'all didn't like and subscribe, you've been following me, y'all already should know what number 1 is. That's right, meditate. When all else fails, just meditate. And I love meditating. It's just the best thing, because a lot of times, especially when fear and doubt starts, kind of trying to bother you and stuff, when you meditate and you focus on outcome that you desire, your desired outcome, it like makes no room for fear and doubt. You know what I mean? You'll just be amazed at how quickly you can snap yourself out of fear and doubt. You know, a meditation, man, that is my number one thing. And I still, you know, and probably always will be, you know, implementing these techniques to be able to continue to live my best life. So that's why I'm going through it, and I'm documenting the road and stuff. I feel like 90 days of really dedicating to something is something significant is bound to happen. And so I'm just excited because, yeah, so I closed another deal too. You know, I said I was showing houses in Selma. So fat commission check, here I come. So I'm just excited. Everything's is exactly where it's supposed to be at. And like, I'm not beating myself up because I wasn't a successful internet marketer with the Digistore and the Done For You and all that stuff, because I feel very successful. And like I said, those things are still on my stove. They're just on the back burner right now. But I'm just excited. I'm just excited. You know, I quit work to do real estate, and I'm making deals. You know, I'm selling, and also, you know, I'm just wait and see. I'm doing good. And thank you guys again. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and tune in tomorrow for another video. Bye.